Welcome to Infinity Info Universe, where today we're diving into the fascinating, mind-blowing world of dinosaurs. Get ready to learn 10 facts about these ancient creatures that will completely blow your mind. And trust me, you won't have heard most of them before. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our epic content. Now, let's get into these jaw-dropping dinosaur facts. Fact number 1. Dinosaurs could be as fast as modern cars. Did you know some dinosaurs were as fast as a modern-day car? The Velociraptor could reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, fast enough to outrun most cars in a city. Imagine one of these creatures sprinting at full speed across the plains of prehistoric Earth. Fact number 2. Some dinosaurs had feathers. We often picture dinosaurs with scaly skin, but many of them had feathers. That's right, some of the most famous dinosaurs, like the Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor, may have sported feathers, especially during their younger years. This discovery is a game changer for how we think about dinosaurs. Fact number 3. The biggest dinosaur was huge. Want to know the real heavyweight champion of the dinosaur world? The Argentinosaurus, a massive sauropod, was over 100 feet long and weighed a staggering 100 tons. That's as heavy as 14 African elephants combined. Fact number 4. Dinosaurs could communicate with color. Believe it or not, some dinosaurs could communicate with their skin color. Just like chameleons, certain species likely use color changes to express emotions, warn others of danger, or even attract mates. Fact number 5. Dinosaurs had crazy taste buds. Here's something that might surprise you. Dinosaurs had more taste buds than humans. For example, the Tyrannosaurus rex had up to 3,000 taste buds on its tongue. Imagine tasting your food with all of those. Fact number 6. Dinosaurs had a sixth sense. Some dinosaurs, like the Troodon, had brains that were proportionally larger than other dinosaurs, which means they likely had better sensory abilities. Scientists believe they may have even had a heightened sense of smell and sight, helping them become incredibly effective hunters. Fact number 7. Dinosaurs lived in polar regions. Dinosaurs didn't just live in hot, tropical areas. Fossils have been discovered in polar regions, suggesting that some species, like the Edmontosaurus, lived in places where it was cold. These dinosaurs had to adapt to extreme conditions. Fact number 8. Some dinosaurs could swim. Some dinosaurs weren't just land animals. They could swim. The Spinosaurus, one of the largest carnivores, was a semi-aquatic dinosaur that likely spent a significant amount of time hunting fish in the water. Talk about versatility. Fact number 9. Dinosaurs could heal really fast. Ever heard of a dinosaur that could heal wounds quickly? Well, some dinosaurs, like the Triceratops, had remarkable healing abilities. Their bodies were capable of regenerating tissue faster than modern reptiles. Maybe they were onto something with those thick hides. Fact number 10. Dinosaurs may have had advanced parenting skills. And finally, some dinosaurs were exceptional parents. Fossil evidence shows that certain species, like the Maiasaura, took care of their young for extended periods. These good parents even built nests and taught their babies how to survive. Closing scene, host or voiceover. Those are just a few of the mind-blowing dinosaur facts that you probably didn't know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the past. End credits. Upbeat music with a call to action to subscribe, like, and follow on social media.